Hello, I'm former professional trail rider, and in this video we're going to talk about how important is the time limit riding a trail section. As you know, when you go to a competition, you have actually two rules, the non-stop, the one we have applied in the World Championship, but basically in all the other countries we are riding under the rules under stop conditions. That means you can do whatever you want over the bike when you're in the section, but then you have a time limit. And how important is the time when you ride in a section? As you know, when you foot down, one time is 1 mark, 2 times 2 marks, and 3 or more times 3 marks on the section. And then you can fail and it's a 5. It's the worst scenario, taking a 5 in a section. But what happens when you exceed the time limit? It's directly a 5, so the worst one again when you try to succeed riding a section on a trial competition. Then we need to focus on the time and how to manage it well when you're riding a section. In past videos, if you remember, we talk about how to walk a section, how to understand which is the best line to choose, and small tricks to decide and make your life easier, let's say, when you're trying to ride a section. And for me this is the key. When you're facing the time in a section, people start to ride stressed. They forget about the plan and they just want to go fast, and when you go fast you arrive the mistakes, you get tired, and then you lose more time because you are not that precise. You need to move, and maybe in a corner, instead of doing in 2 movements, you need 10. You get tired, you lose the line, you are nervous again, and as you lose more time in this corner, then you are more nervous on the next one. So for me that's the key. The main thing when you try to ride under time pressure, is to stick on the plan. It's so important, it's the key of this sport, because you realize that when you're watching my videos riding the sections, when I do it well done, it's like I'm really riding slow, not that fast when I'm on the bike. But if you look at the time, at the chrono, you will realize that I'm much faster. The times that I try to attempt it really fast, really quick, I arrive too fast on the corner, I need to put the foot on the floor, I need more movement. So at the end, for me, it's the main key. When you are under pressure, riding a section, any competition, top level, low level, the key is that one, have a good plan and trust in your plan. And trust me, this is the key. And so that's all for this video. I hope you learn how to trust in yourself and enjoy while you're riding the section. See you soon in next videos, and get on the gas.